urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Wisconsin County in east central Ohio, northwestern Harrison County in east central Ohio, Lawrence County in east.
Oh, that's a lot of damage.
A severe thunderstorm was located near West Lafayette, or 8 miles east of Wisconsin, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size.
Wow, this super detailed doesn't want to go
Radar
off.
indicated. Impact damage to vehicles is expected.
Okay, screw it.
Impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Jurisville, Newcomerstown, Denison, West Lafayette, Manhattan, Tuscaloosa,
No, I'm not listening to Katy Perry.
Alliston, Barnville, Charlottesville, Roswell, Stone Creek,
Wow.
Springfield, Kilmer, and Stillwater. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. This is no weather radio.